Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that TikTok is not opting right now. First of all, you have to just do that. You just go to your settings of your app, of your Android settings. Just tap on settings, and you have to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that the VPN is not connected. If you have a VPN connected, just disconnect it from your mobile. After that, just go back and go to TikTok. If your problem is not gonna fix after the connection with your internet, with proper internet connection, you have to proper internet connection with your Wi-Fi. Maybe you have a mobile data connection, mobile data network, just connect with the mobile data. If your problem is not gonna fix, then again go to your settings and just scroll down. If you find a TikTok, just click it. If you don't find a TikTok, just search from the search bar, just like that. Just search a TikTok, just like that. Just go to TikTok and just simply have to permission all of that, just like that. Contact everyone, you have to just permission it from here, just like that. Allow it, go back, allow your location, allow it, allow it. After that, let's go back and just go to the storage, just tap on it and just clear all the data from here, and just also clear the cache from here. After that, your problem is now gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.